Welcome in today's video. We are back with another Subway servers. Okay, I'm brought okay. Cause let's just play Subway servers and just play. So I'm gonna tell you something. I played this game off camera, so I'm sorry if I make you mad or something. So yeah, even though I'm literally talking to no one, well, you can watch my channel if you want, but unless you like playing this game already, man. Oh my god, since when I become Gen Alpha, bro? Not. Look at my skills, man. Hey, sissy back. Bro, I'm so lucky I have a hoverboard. By the way, I have glasses. I'm not joking because I have minus 2 eyesight. So that's why. In my post, I said I'm gonna post a video in December 14th, but I'm gonna post it today, December 30th, or whatever. But I'm so lucky right now. I need a hoverboard. Okay, I'm gonna watch that so I can play this game. So yeah, with the admire right now, right? This is when I become Zessie, right? Okay, let me just play the game more if you want to know. I kind of love this update. There's no LGBTQ flags. Finally, I hate them. Even though I'm not gay. No, yeah, whoa, yeah. So I need to beat my high score. I'm gonna show you to you guys. So yeah. Yay, yeah, you don't not like that. Oh my god! I'm gonna kill my Like just bro. Another day, another Frank. What am I saying? Yeah. You know, I live in Morocco, so don't tell me why you don't speak English. Bro, I speak English, but I'm from Morocco. You know that. I'm from North Africa. By the way, I'm gonna change my name to something good. I'm not lying. Tomorrow, not today. Well, it's gonna be an epic name, so yeah. If you haven't already liked the video, please like it if you are new to the channel. So yeah, thank you if you like, even though you don't like it. Well, I tried my best, so not my problem. Okay, hoverboard, because this is gonna be the hard part. Bro, look at my backflip, bro. I said block frig. Bro, see, I told you. Oh my god. See, I told you. I'm so lucky that I have a hoverboard. Even though I said it like 2 times. Sorry if I didn't. Bro, how? Oh my god. Okay, I won't. Because I need coins. I need to beat my high score. So yeah, I need to beat my high score so I can end the video. And make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to like and subscribe if you are new to the channel. Bro, what do I do, bro? 300 bros. Bro, that helps nothing, bro. Okay, we are back with another ad, so. Yeah, super cuddly. I'm really tired. I'm sorry as hell, I'm not joking, bro. Okay, this. Why my phone vibrating, bro? It's like zzz. Ding, 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 ding. Oh my god, bro, this look like the thing, bro. Pooh, nah. Okay, that helps. That literally helps. Okay, I'm so lucky, bro. Okay, so after this, I'm gonna end this video because I need to do my home. Sorry, but I need to die. So make sure like and subscribe, even though I said it like 100 times. And peace out. Peace.